2 for 140 level I, if we know the slope, right? The slope is 3 over 2. That's very important information for me. And we also know that this line with the slope 3 over 2 passes through 2 points, which is 2 and 5, right? Over here, 2 and 5. So that's also another valuable information for me. First of all, we have to understand that for any linear equation, there's a format for that. It's like this format works for any kind of linear equation. Give you an example. If I say that y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 2, y is equal to negative 3 over 2x minus 7, y equal to 5x plus 6. These equations look familiar, right? Because these are called linear equations. They are literally just called linear equations. So I have a format, as you can see from these format as well, right? They're always something times x plus or minus b, or sometimes the b is not there. Sometimes you will probably even have just like y equal to 2x, for example. In this case, the line just goes through the original, right? Origin. Okay. Any question about this?
No.
So far, so good. So if I were told that the slope is 3 over 2, do you know which stands for the slope?
The m.
The m. So can I rewrite my equation as y equal to 3 over 2?
3 over 2 x.
X, good job, plus b, because I still don't know the b. Now my goal is to
Find b.
find b. How do I find the b?
Sub 5 into y
Sub, you good,
3
girl.
over 2
Okay,
x.
so 3 over 2 times 2 plus b. And what's my b?
Equals negative 2.
Eh?
Wait, positive 2.
2, right? So now my whole formula looks like, my whole equation looks like y is equal to
3 over 2 x plus 2.
Good job. So with this linear equation that I know, how do I find the x coordinates, which is the coordinate of the x-intercept? How do I find that? For any linear equation, if I were to find the x-intercept, you sub y equal to 0. Okay? For any y-intercept, you sub
0.
x equal to 0. For example, for this question here, what is my y-intercept?
0.
0 and 2. Why? Because if I substitute x as a 0 into this whole thing, y is equal to 2. That's how you find your
So x
y-intercept.
is 2 as well.
So,
X
but
is
this is
1.
asking you for the x-intercept though.
Okay.
So when we sub y equal to 0, what will happen? 0 is equal to 3 over 2x plus 2, which means that this needs to be negative 2. And x is equal to negative 2 times 2 over 3. X equal
3
to,
over 2.
but it's times, right? You need to divide it, so you flip it. I skipped the step, right? So what's my answer here? Negative?
Negative 4 over 3.
So that's my x-intercept. Good. So that will be looking like this. If I were to draw this graph one more time, if I'm using the right document over here, I will first find out this is my x-intercept, and I will have my y-intercept. What's my y-intercept again? Do you remember?
0.
0, 2, right? So if I were to find anything for this one, let me erase this. Okay, I will find out where 0, 2 is, which should be somewhere over here, right? And then also negative 4 over 3 and 0, which you did an awesome job over here. 0, negative 4 over 3 and 0. And all I need to do is I connect these two lines together. There you go. And that basically is how we draw it. Most importantly is that we understand the structure of my linear equation. We know that what kind of hint I can get from the information from the question. We have a slope. We also have an intersection. The intersection we have is 2 and 5, and use it properly. Okay? Hopefully this question is good.
Yes.
All right, girl.
Mhm.
No problem.